Further ado, the intro giveaway winner of this contest is Phantom GFX. Congratulations for winning. So if I were to ask you what made that clip look good, most people will say, well, that's just a well-edited clip. Well, the truth is, sound effects literally made all of that clip. For instance, here's the same clip but without any sound effects. The intro giveaway winner of this contest is Phantom GFX. So yeah, that was a day and night difference, which is crazy because sound effects is the only thing that made that difference. Here's a quick breakdown of that video just to show you how little effort I used to make that whole sound design. Intro giveaway winner of this contest is Phantom GFX. Congratulations for winning. So sound design is obviously very important to make your videos stand out. That's why today I packed all of the sound effects that I use on my videos and I put them in one pack, and you can download that for free and you can use that on your videos, and hopefully you will have better videos. So with that said, let's take a look at this pack. So what you need to do is to go to the link in the description below, which will take you to a Google Drive link, and you're gonna have to download a zip file and just decompress or unzip that file, and you should have all of these folders. So what I did here, I actually organized all of the sound effects into their specific folders just to make it easier for you to edit. And as you can see, each folder contains a different sound effects for you to use. So we have suspense, and we have soundtracks, gaming, funny, for layers, crowd, and cinematic whooshes. So let me show you a really quick trick how to import these to KineMaster in the easiest way to make your editing process much easier. As you can see, I have my empty project here, and let's just say that I want to import a specific sound effect from a specific folder that I have in mind. Now the easiest way to do this is to click on that music button so you can import a brand new audio, and instead of looking for the sound effect that you are looking for in this list, which is the alphabetical order, you can actually go to the left and click on folders, and it will show you all the folders that contain audio that's on your Android device. Let's just say, for example, I want to import a whoosh sound effect. So what you want to do is you want to go to the folder which I included the whoosh sound effects, which is the cinematic whooshes right here. So you can click on it and we show you all the sound effects. This is a very simple tip, yet a lot of people don't use it for some reason, and this is gonna significantly reduce the edit time, which is gonna make your workflow faster, which I think is very important. So let's just say you are adding a brand new layer to your project. You can find the folder that I named for layers in this pack, and if you click on it, you will see all the sound effects that has something to do with layers, which is very important to reduce your editing time, and I think you definitely should use this tip. So with that said, here's all of the sound effects that I included in this pack. Enjoy. So this is from 4Layers. This is cinematic whooshes. This one is from Suspense. Here is some soundtracks.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
You're gonna find these in gaming, which is for people that want to do gaming edits.
Denied.
This one is made for funny edits.
Dragon Ball.
And these are from Crowd. So these are all the sound effects that I included in this pack. I hope you guys download this pack. It's completely for free. The reason why I want you to download this pack is because I just want people to use more sound effects in their videos, because you will be surprised how much will sound effects change your videos from decent to really good. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to do if you want me to do more packs in the future. I'm using some new assets in my new videos, so I definitely want to update some packs that I did in the past. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Drop a like down below. If you haven't subscribed already, be sure to subscribe with post notifications on. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I catch you in the next video. Peace out.